Hey everybody, Stephen Ho here with the Mister Sauga real estate team. And I just wanted to, I saw this interesting listing and I wanted to kind of show you guys how I preview properties online before we determine if my buyers want to actually go for a physical showing or not. And this house was quite interesting and I wanted to kind of take you guys through this tour. Now, this is a condo townhouse in Burlington and this is, I see, a double door entry. Floors are done. Bathroom in the front of the house, which is good because it's separate from like the living space. You got a big closet in the front, and then the kitchen here. So the bathroom separate from the living area in case someone's making a lot of noise. They have a little bit more privacy. The kitchen here, I see quartz countertops, a backsplash, updated cabinets, looks very nice. Open over into the family room. You can have a dining room. I noticed that they have one of these AC units. Now this is not central air, but it's one of those space uh, coolers for I guess like the main area here. You have a backyard fenced, which is nice. Patio interlocking, not too shabby. And then we kind of go upstairs here, if you let me. And if we go upstairs here, we got a master bedroom, has carpet in the bedroom. I noticed these doors for this type of property, these doors are normally without the trim. So if you can think of like the older style, there's no trim, it's just flat across. Either it's brown or white. But you can see they've updated that. You can see the brushed nickel doorknobs. So those are updated. Otherwise, for this age of home, it would probably be those copper brass type of doorknobs. I noticed another thing. If they have these space air conditioners, then they would also have some other type of heating because it's not going to be a forced air system. So they won't have a furnace that's going to push the air, whether it's heated or cooled. So they have these, I guess, little radiators under the window. Now, this house, to give you some context, is listed for 637, and this is an interesting part. They got crown molding all around, which gives it a very elegant, upgraded feel. But then you also get this jacuzzi tub in the master bedroom. In it, there's no walls or anything like that. I mean, it's very easy access. But then I think of like, oh, there's going to be water and then there's carpet. So those are some thoughts that I have when I see, interesting layouts like this. And then you have your full bath upstairs, which is quite decent, upgraded vanity, hardware. There's some wainscoting, um, pretty decent looking shower, looks clean, freshly grouted, sort of like a bath fitter. And then again, second bedroom, good size, crown molding, radiator heat again, and wainscoting in the third bedroom, and so on and so forth. So if we go down to the basement, also, lots of storage. Can we go in here? Yeah, lots of storage, which is always important. You have a wet bar, with the sink, little mini fridge, a little wet bar. I really like this coffered ceiling accent with the what's it called? Herringbone wood accent on the ceiling, which gives it a interesting feel. Definitely give it some character. But those are some things I look for when I'm looking online. There's a lot of details. I've seen probably thousands and thousands of listings online, and a ton in person. But you want to, because there's COVID, you want to make sure you really make sure you like the house before you even step inside. Um, and obviously, you're limiting your exposure to other people's homes, and the amount of traffic of people coming to see these listings. So you want to definitely take the opportunity to explore these virtual tours. And as a seller, this is very important. You want to allow your prospective buyers to be able to see your house online as best as they can so they can make a more informed decision. And that's when people who actually come through, they're going to be a lot more serious. Um, so by being able to kind of provide this opportunity with a 3D virtual tour, you can both market your property better, but also as a buyer, you're able to see what you're getting yourself into before you even step a foot inside. So yeah, if you have any questions on how you want to see places or what kind of properties you'd like to see, let me know. I'll do a little bit more of these virtual tour walkthroughs to kind of give you some insight um, through the years of experience that I've had. So hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll talk to you soon.